you're having issues with your auger shaft and you need to replace it, here's how to do it. Don't forget the most important step. Every time you work on your grill, you need to unplug the grill from power. With the Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws mounting your controller to the hopper. Make sure your pellet hopper is completely empty of any pellets. After that, you'll want to remove the 4 screws that mount the hopper to the side of your grill. There's 2 screws in the front and 2 in the back. Once those screws are removed, you'll be able to lift from the bottom, lift the hopper off of the side of the grill, and set it aside. Now that you can see the inside of your hopper, locate the auger motor. It's the one with the red wires coming out of it. On the back side of the auger motor, remove the Allen screw and the 5/16 inch nut, which attaches the auger to the auger motor. Use a 7/16 wrench to remove the bolts that hold the auger motor and motor bracket to the burner. Remove the auger from the auger shaft. Turn the shaft counterclockwise to help wheel it out towards you. Sometimes it's hard to turn at first. Once the auger breaks free, it should turn very easily. After removing the auger, push all the loose pellets out of the auger tube and into the fire pot. Use a shop vac to help remove all the pellets from your grill. Take your new replacement auger and place it back into the auger tube. Make sure the auger shaft turns freely over the motor shaft before re-bolting it to the motor bracket and auger motor. Then reattach the auger shaft to the auger motor using the 5/16 nut and Allen screw. Now you've got your new auger replaced inside of your Traeger. You're ready to put everything back together. Make sure you put the hopper on first, attach the 4 screws here, and then put your controller on and you're ready to start Traegering again. Make sure you check out all the rest of our videos on our website. Register your grill at traegergrills.com. If you have any other questions about your grill, call our customer service at 1-800-TRAEGER. Also, hop on Instagram, #TraegerGrills, and be sure to show us your briskets.